Australia is a land of stunning contrasts, beckons with its sun-kissed beaches, sprawling deserts, and vibrant cities. Known for its unique wildlife, including kangaroos and koalas, but did you know that there are shocking facts about Australia which will blow your mind? In this video we will dive into the most unbelievable truths which you never knew about. Let's begin with one of the most captivating and breathtaking natural marvels on Earth. Number 1. Home to the world's largest coral reef system. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia stretches over 2,300 kilometers along the Queensland coast. It's the world's largest coral reef system, comprising around 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands. This biodiverse ecosystem is home to over 1,500 species of fish, 400 types of coral, and 4,000 species of mollusks. The Great Barrier Reef's corals exhibit a dazzling array of colors, including pink, red, blue, yellow, and green. They come in various shapes, such as branching, boulder, plate, and fan forms. This diversity creates stunning underwater landscapes, contributing to the reef's rich biodiversity and visual appeal. It also supports a variety of sharks, rays, marine turtles, seabirds, and marine mammals like dolphins and whales. The reef's vibrant marine life and stunning coral formations make it a global treasure and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 2. Australia outback covers 70% of the continent. The Australian outback covers approximately 70% of the continent, spanning vast and remote interior regions characterized by arid and semi-arid landscapes. Known for its sparse population and rugged terrain, the outback includes iconic natural landmarks like Uluru and expansive deserts such as the Simpson Desert. Uluru is also known as S Rock, is a massive sandstone monolith located in the Northern Territory of Australia. It rises 348 meters above the surrounding plain and stretches about 9.4 kilometers in circumference. Uluru is a sacred site to the indigenous Anangu people and is renowned for its striking red color and dramatic changes at different times of day. Nearby is Kata-Thajuta, also known as the Olgas, is a group of large, dome-shaped rock formations located about 25 kilometers west of Uluru. Kata-Thajuta means many heads in the local indigenous language. It consists of 36 separate domes and is significant to the Anangu people, offering stunning views and unique geological features. The red sand in outback is primarily due to the high iron oxide content in the soil. Iron oxide, or rust, gives the sand its distinctive reddish color. Over time, weathering processes break down rocks and minerals, releasing iron that eventually forms the reddish sand and soil found throughout the outback. This region supports unique wildlife adapted to harsh conditions, including kangaroos, dingoes, and various reptiles. Despite its harsh environment, the outback holds cultural significance for Indigenous Australians and attracts adventurers seeking its stark beauty and isolation. Outback offers exceptional stargazing opportunities. Due to its remote location and minimal light pollution, the outback provides a clear, unobstructed view of the night sky. You can enjoy spectacular views of the Milky Way, Southern Cross, and other celestial phenomena. Many areas in the outback, such as the Red Centre around Uluru and Kata-Thajuta, are renowned for their stunning night skies, making them popular spots for both amateur and experienced astronomers. Number 3. In Australia, kangaroos outnumbers humans. There are an estimated 50 to 60 million kangaroos across the continent, compared to a human population of around 26 million. The high number of kangaroos is due to Australia's vast and varied landscapes, which provide ample habitat for these iconic marsupials. Australia's large, open landscapes provide ample space for kangaroos to roam and reproduce. Kangaroos are highly adaptable to various environments, from forests to deserts, allowing them to thrive across diverse regions since there are low predation here. Australia is home to several species of kangaroos, each adapted to different environments. Red kangaroo, Macropus rufus, the largest kangaroo species, found mainly in central and western Australia, including the outback and arid regions. Eastern grey kangaroo, Macropus giganteus, common in the eastern parts of Australia, including southeastern Queensland, New South Wales, and Victoria. They inhabit forests, woodlands, and grasslands. Western grey kangaroo, Macropus fuliginosus, found in southwestern Australia, including parts of South Australia and Western Australia. They inhabit woodlands, mallee, and open country. Antilopine kangaroo, Macropus antilopinus, located in northern Australia, including parts of the Northern Territory and northern Queensland. They live in savannas and tropical grasslands. Tree kangaroos, genus Dendrolagus, found in the rainforests of northern Queensland and New Guinea. They are arboreal, living in trees rather than on the ground. Did you know that kangaroos can't move backward due to their anatomical structure? Their large, powerful hind legs and muscular tails are designed for efficient forward hopping. The shape of their legs and the need to maintain balance make backward movement challenging and inefficient, favoring forward motion instead. Number 4. Australia has over 10,000 beaches. Bondi Beaches. Australia is estimated to have over 10,000 beaches along its extensive coastline. This number includes a wide variety of beaches, from popular tourist spots to remote, pristine shores. The sheer number and diversity of beaches reflect Australia's extensive and varied coastline. One of the most famous beach is Bondi Beach, which is located in Sydney, New South Wales. Known for its golden sands and excellent surf, the beach is famous for its vibrant atmosphere, bustling promenade, and a wide range of cafes, restaurants, and shops. Bondi is renowned for its surf conditions, making it a popular spot for both beginners and experienced surfers. Bondi to Coogee coastal walk stretches about 6 kilometers, offering stunning coastal views and passing several other beautiful beaches. Another famous beach is Byron Bay Beach, located in New South Wales, is celebrated for its relaxed vibe, pristine sands, and excellent surfing conditions. Known for its vibrant art scene and eco-friendly culture, it also offers whale watching, scenic coastal walks, and stunning views from the Cape Byron Lighthouse. Number 5. The Dingo Fence is one of the longest structures in the world. Stretching over 5,600 kilometers, about 3,480 miles, across southeastern Australia, the Dingo Fence was built to protect livestock and farmland from dingoes, wild dogs, that were preying on sheep and cattle in southeastern Australia. Construction began in the 1880s and the fence was extended over time to cover a vast area. Its primary purpose was to safeguard valuable grazing land and agricultural production from these predators. Its length surpasses that of the Great Wall of China, making it an impressive feat of construction. Number 6. Australia is the only continent in the world without an active volcano. Because it is located in the middle of the Indo-Australian tectonic plate, far from the tectonic plate boundaries where most volcanic activity occurs. Volcanic activity typically happens at plate boundaries where plates collide, pull apart, or slide past each other, creating conditions for magma to reach the surface. Australia's stable, central position on its tectonic plate means it experiences little tectonic activity, resulting in the absence of active volcanoes. Hence, it's a great and safe environment for both humans and animals. Number 7. 90% of Australia live on the coast. Around 90% of Australia's population lives within 100 kilometers of the coast. This high coastal concentration is due to factors like favorable climate, economic opportunities, and access to amenities and infrastructure. Coastal regions offer a more temperate climate, better job prospects, and attractive lifestyles compared to the arid interior, which influences the distribution of Australia's population. Number 8. Fraser Island is the largest sand island in the world. Fraser Island is located off Queensland's coast, is the largest sand island in the world, covering about 1,840 square kilometers. It is renowned for its diverse landscapes, including vast sand dunes, lush rainforests, and clear freshwater lakes such as Lake Mackenzie. The island is home to unique wildlife, including dingoes, and offers stunning natural attractions like the Pinnacles and Eli Creek. Fraser Island is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its ecological significance and natural beauty. Visitors can explore its scenic beaches, take 4WD tours, and enjoy activities such as hiking and swimming in its pristine waters. Number 9. Australia is home to several amazing pink lakes, primarily due to the presence of algae and bacteria that produce pink pigments. Lake Hillier is famous for its striking pink color. Lake Hillier is located on Middle Island in the Recharge Archipelago. Its vibrant hue is due to the presence of the algae Dunaliella salina and other microorganisms. Lake Eyre is Australia's largest salt lake. Lake Eyre can turn pink or red when it is partially filled with water and salt concentration is high. The color is influenced by algae and bacteria. Lake Macdonnell is located near Penong. This lake is known for its bright pink color, which is also attributed to the algae Dunaliella salina. Number 10. Australia has the world's longest golf course, known as the Nullarbor Links, spanning approximately 1,365 kilometers, 848 miles, across the Nullarbor Plain. It stretches from Kalgoorlie in Western Australia to Ceduna in South Australia. The course is unique for its long distances between holes, with each hole located in different towns along the route, offering a challenging and scenic golfing experience. Number 11. Australia has over 60 wine regions, spread across various states, including South Australia, New South Wales, Victoria, Queensland, and Western Australia. These regions are known for their diverse climates and soil types, which contribute to a wide range of wine varieties, from Shiraz and Cabernet Sauvignon to Chardonnay and Pinot Noir. Notable wine regions include the Barossa Valley, Hunter Valley, Margaret River, and Yarra Valley, each renowned for its unique contributions to Australia's wine industry. Number 12. The island of Tasmania has the cleanest air in the world. Tasmania is particularly in areas such as the remote southwest region, is known for having some of the cleanest air in the world. The island's low population density, minimal industrial pollution, and vast natural landscapes contribute to its exceptional air quality. Monitoring stations have recorded some of the lowest levels of air pollution globally, making Tasmania a standout for its clean, pristine air.